flame, killing up shit like the Lebanese. Out the pipe comes a child of the 70s. Rolling through your hood, fool, lay it down. Commence to leave suckers whole hood a ghost town. But I told you once, and you chose to twist it. 4 dead, 3 injured, and a soldier did it. Cause I'm down with my homies that hang with me. Never have to worry about the one that sang with me. For the simple fact that the fools bang with me. And some of you suckers say you're killers, but just claim to be. And somehow, somewhere, yo, I heard it was on. Rampage, grab the gauge, top the pills some domes. G-Pop came through with the Desert Eagle. You feed your fish fool if you ain't our people. And you suck ass fools will keep running your mouth.
And I'ma knock your mother ass out.
And I slang these things, so fool brace yourself. You wanna talk that talk, so let's walk that
From
walk.
the verses it did, I think your ass wanna learn.
YG is what I be, so it strikes to be earned.
They offered you counseling and learn from your mistakes.
But instead I hit the drink and learn to retaliate.
We're picking up the tricks of the trade real good.
I keep the enemies dropping to keep the hood
So
popping.
you're a soldier, a young one to say the least.
Uniform fully creased, khaki two-piece.
Dudes coming through your hood on the store static.
4-4 Desert Eagle, 4 metal jacket.
So you think you tough since you walk alone at night.
Boom, I pull the trigger, empty the clip, what that wire's like.
And hating memory of the fool who tried to trip and got smoked. He never thought that Keystone would put the gauge to his throat. Pull the trigger, then I knew I had the feeling for killing. With no remorse and smoke the blunt and hit the drain. Now I'm chillin', trying to let him know the 90s was the age of the killing. Now when a player drank a 40, got a blessed, I figure. You know the coldest killers grew up in the city of Tombstone. If you're scared of dying, don't enter the white zone. Cause damn, you never go home, this ain't Kansas, my home sweet home. Yo, my home is where my strap is, home ain't where the heart is. Cause gangsters and Watts ain't got one. The only thing pump blood around Watts is a saga. The pistol grip pump known to y'all as the 410 Mossberg. So once again, Watson's fools get served. And if they trippin' and you need a quick hitter, then come to Watson. That's where young Keystone, age of the killer. Now we gon' let the mother gunshots come. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on another mission. Goddamn, I got 2 Glocks and a Mac 10 ready to put a gang of work in. My ends is short and I need a quick lick. Creeped on the stove cause the owner was a trick. Jumped across the counter real fast with the quickness. I loaded a clip in the trick just for screaming. Now my heart is pumping, I think she hit the lower alarm button. But that ain't stopping because I'm from Compton. The fool out there in a pool full of blood. Still searching for some ends before I run. Gets the hell out the stove with the quickness. Jumped into a tight 77 Cutlass. Now y'all know how a young brother walk. Now stop that talk and let's walk that walk.
Started out at young age, a youngster of the most hated fools in the hood. I was among the worst and the best. Talk is always cheap. Fools die, come with it, cause I've been playing for keeps. It's on everybody's mind to try and take me all messed up. That real is what I'm talking about. Shot a sucker in his face at point blank range. A product of my environment, and ain't nothing finna change. Many nights I thought about talking that talk, but all that shit came after I walked that walk. The worst you can do for me is kill yourself. And when you do that, the tweet will take your girl in step. Think trick, it's over. I told you, no bullshit. Get my ass paid, 9-4, I'm putting on them shoes. Lead pen, my dude, step outside. You talk, you walk, which the hell do you choose? Sucker.